Hi guys, Potato here, and I want to talk a little bit about mutations before you move on with today's activity. So today, or right now, I want to talk about mutations, and I totally stole this idea from something that I saw online, but I want to talk about mutations as it pertains to a rainbow. So this is our normal rainbow made up of colors and letters. We all know Roy G. Biv: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. So this is what is supposed to be for the rainbow. All right, red starts it or begins it. Purple or violet, technically, Roy G. Biv is the last one. So this is our original rainbow. Well, what happens if that occurs to the rainbow? Do you see what is wrong? Do you see what's different? Do you see the mutation? I do. It goes red, orange, green. It's not even Roy. It's Rog G. Biv. No, Rog Biv. Because there's no yellow. So it doesn't read the same. It's Rog Biv. And it's not complete. And it's missing something. And it doesn't read the same as the original rainbow reads. What about this rainbow? This rainbow reads ROYGGG BIV. Roy G Biv. Roy G Biv. I'm not sure exactly. Okay? But compared to the original, there's too many. There's a repeat. There's a repeated color. Green. Over and over. There's an addition to it. There's an extra G. There's an extra green. Roy G Biv. Not like the original. What about this one? This is ROYOY, Royoy G Biv. Again, you don't read it the same because in this case, I've repeated a double section. I've gone red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Not the same as the original. I've mutated it. I've double repeated two sections. What about this one? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Red, orange, yellow. It just keeps going and keeps going and keeps going. What's missing? Do you see it? Did you hear it? What's missing? Violet. It never stops. It's like the rainbow keeps going and keeps going and keeps going. What's weird is I could have had a blank card. Maybe I should have. And I could have said, do you see the rainbow? And you would have said, Furtado, I've decided that you're a little nuts because there's no rainbow there. And I would have said, of course there's not, because there's no red. If there's no R for Roy G. Biv, it doesn't even happen. There can be no rainbow. There can't be a complete original rainbow without a red and without a purple. No purple means it keeps going and going and going. Violet, I keep saying purple. I should be saying violet. No violet, it keeps going and going and going and going. No red, it doesn't start. So in this case, we have an original rainbow. We have a mutated rainbow that is never finished, so it's never actually made. It's never really a rainbow. We have a double repeated section rainbow, which means it's not the same as the original rainbow. What this rainbow means, Roy G. Biv, this one does not. We have a Roy G. Biv rainbow. Again, we don't read that the same as the original. It doesn't even look the same as the original. And then we have the missing. We have a mutated rainbow. There's a deletion. There's no Roy, it's Rog. And we change the way we read it. And we change the meaning of the letters. And we change it from the original. All of these were random. All of these were just things I thought to do to mutate and change this rainbow at random. So this is the original. Anything other than this, any random change is a mutation. The question is, are you adding or are you deleting or are you substituting something in? Maybe I should have done one where I used like red, orange, yellow, and then pink. That's what I should have done. That would have been a substitution. Okay? It wouldn't have been, even if I did that, it wouldn't have been like the original. So today you're going to take a look at a short video about mutations. It's going to talk about some specifics for chromosomal mutations and some specific examples that are going to be important to you later today. Then you're going to take a look at how sometimes mutations can be beneficial and pay close attention to both of them, because some of the follow-up stuff you're going to do afterwards is going to go back to some of the ideas from those. And then you'll finish up with your final assessment or assignment for today. If you get done in time, there's a whole bunch of you that have work that you owe us. So take a look at your grades, see where your zeros are, and we are giving you this opportunity to make up some of that work, okay? If you have any questions, send me a Schoology message. If not, have a great class, guys, and enjoy learning about mutations and beneficial mutations. See ya.